guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brandy Giz. Welcome back to my channel, and I decided to do unboxing for you guys. It is from a subscription box, which is Glossybox, as you can see, and I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened it up just yet, but I'm going to open up in front of you all to show you the goodies that they sent me. So if you're interested in seeing something like this, keep on watching. Okay, so I am going to open it up. Not sure of what is in this here box, but we shall see together. Okay, they just have a little Geico ad. So this is the cute box that it comes in, and it's like one of those boxes that you can re-gift to someone and put some, you know, other kind of stuff in it. So again, this is Glossybox. And inside, this is how it looks. You have your card, and I see on the front it has like the macaroons, and it just tells you about a sneak peek, if you want to refer a friend, box survey, and all that good stuff. Okay, and it just tells you what's inside. So this is my little cheat sheet. So let's get started. Ooh, got some good stuff up in here, y'all. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to take them out in order of how I see it on this here pamphlet. Okay, so the first item is this cute. It's the Cab Cosmetics. Looks like that. Cute packaging. I love gray. And then it has that little, what is it called? Like gold, rose gold writing. And it's a lip gloss. You guys know I love me some lip gloss, child. Ooh, yes, my kind of color. The color is called Sugar and Spice. It's by Cab Cosmetics. This is a full size. And it's this Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss. And it provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. It's non-stick formula with a sweet vanilla cupcake scent. And it will give your lips a long-lasting gloss. Okay, and it says it retails for $18, and you can get it at cabcosmetics.com. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a mirror, and we're going to see. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Oh, that looks really pretty. Okay, so it looks like so. And I'm going to put it on my lips. It does smell like cupcakes. And this kind of gloss is right up my alley. And I just purchased the gloss from Sephora, if you follow me here on this channel. And it looks kind of similar. It's really pretty, not sticky or anything. I don't know why I'm holding it up like you can see it. But this is the gloss, and I really like this. I really like it. It's cute. Yep. This is something that I will rock. So I'm going to put it back in here. I'm glad that they sent me this. This is right up my alley. Come on. Bring the lip glosses. Next week, you know, and I got a suggestion for Glossybox. They need to throw in some mascaras every now and then. And some more lip glosses. Yes. Okay, so the next item is a First Aid Beauty product. And it is this here, right here. They are doing it with this subscription box. This is the First Aid Beauty. It's a deluxe mini. And it's the Ultra Repair Cream. And it's intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin, which is cool. This is from Fab First Aid. And it says Fab First Aid Beauty. You can find this on us.lookfantastic.com. It retails for, the deluxe mini retails for $5, but you can actually get the full size for $36. I'm going to try this as well, right on my alley. I can put this in my purse because it is small enough. And I'm going to bring it in so that you can see. And it smells really good, nice and soft. Yeah, it feels really, really nice and soft. My hands feel nice and supple. Okay, so that is a cool thing. And the next one is from Vanilla Co. Vanilla Co. USA. And this is a Clean It Zero cleansing balm for your pore clarifying. And this is a sherbet-like balm, and it will remove even the tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. So it's a tri-peel acid blend that has AHA and BHA and LHA, which helps remove dead skin cells, pores, clear pores, and gently exfoliate. So the tip is, they said, to massage into the skin with your fingertips until the balm melts into an oil. Add water to emulsify, then rinse or remove with a damp cloth. Okay, so this is the deluxe, and this is $3. And looks like that. It's the deluxe. And the full size, which is 100 milliliters, is $22. So let me see what this is about. And it's a balm, so you just massage it into the skin until it creates like an oil. A slight smell, but not too, it's a light smell. Yeah, it's a light smell. And then you take it and then use and you can just wipe it off. Okay, so I can see that it makes you feel your skin feel real smooth. Okay, the next item is from Caudalie. Let's look in here and see. Yep, this is Caudalie, and it says that this is the deluxe mini, and it's both effective and natural. This is a best-selling skin tone evening serum, and it works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. I need that. Its patented key ingredient is 62 times effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. It's called the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. Okay, that's it right there. Now this is the deluxe mini. It says it's $26, y'all, but the full size is $79. So you can actually use this in the morning and in the evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. And they say one is sold every 2 minutes around the world. Okay, how it looks. I don't know. I can't put my hand on it. I never smelled something like this before. It's different. Yeah, it does smell natural. Yeah, it's like a natural smell to it. So this is by Caudalie. Okay, then we have Espa. This is Espa. Looks like so. And this is the deluxe mini. It is a geranium and peptagrain hand balm. Okay, we got another hand balm. Okay, now this is, it says it's a bergamot and jasmine no rinse hand cleanser. Okay, it's an absolute essential and can be pretty and pleasant to use. This quick hand, okay, so this is a quick hand dry, why am I making up words? This is a quick hand sanitizer infused, and it's infused with a luxurious blend of pure essentials with 60% alcohol content, and this effective antibacterial cleanser is perfect when you're on the go. Okay, so it just says apply a dime size to your hands, and you can also shop on us.lookfantastic.com if you're interested in something like this. So I'm gonna put some on. Yeah, it's a deluxe mini, but it looks big. Okay, I smell the bergamot. This is cool, y'all. This smells good. Now, this is kind of too big to put in my purse. The only way I could actually carry this in my purse is if I wear my Tory Burch. But since I'm like wearing this little crossbody, it'll be too big. But you can always put it in like a little container. So I am excited about that. And the last one, is a Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patch. Looks like that. And it is it's 24 hours gold hydro patch. Yeah, this right here retails for $6 because this is a single treatment, but the actual 30 treatments is $54, and you can get it on us.lookfantastic.com. And it is let's see, these incredible gel eye patches are the golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging, and will make you feel like a queen. So I have this. I'm gonna try it tonight and see how it works. But again, I just want to thank Glossybox for all these nice products. They did it this time with the subscription box. This is a good subscription box. I'm gonna put it in my little fridge, and it should, okay, and it should chill it. So with that being said, I thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you are interested in these kind of videos. If not, just keep on scrolling. I thank you all for those who watch and watch to the end. With that being said, I thank you all. God bless. Bye.